Viksit Bharat, to me, is a canvas, a blank slate where we can paint a picture of a future we dream of. It is a chance to create a nation where every voice is heard, where innovations thrive, and where we leave a legacy of progress for the generations to come. It is a chance to be a part of something that is bigger than ourselves. It means a country that is a leader in the world, not just in terms of economics, but in terms of its values and its commitment to making the world a better place. Friends, Viksit Bharat is not just a phrase, it's a call to action. It's a vision of a nation where every citizen has the opportunity to reach their full potential. Viksit Bharat, to me, is not a destination, it's a journey, and we are all passengers of this exciting voyage. So let's embark together and make Viksit Bharat a reality with the spirit of unity. Thank you. Have a nice day.
In front of you all to say something on the topic One Nation, One Election Paving the Way to Viksit Bharat. On 1st September 2023, a committee headed by the former President Ramnath Kovind exposes the possibilities of One Nation, One Election in India, which was introduced on 17 December 2024 in the Lok Sabha. The One Nation, One Election is a proposal of synchronizing the Vidhan Sabha and the Lok Sabha elections together in every 5 years instead of the existing multiple electoral systems. Ever since this thing has came out in public, we can see that various political parties are fuming up with anger and calling it as an attack on Indian Union. You can see that this is not the first time it has been introduced. On the first general elections of 1951 to 67, where according to the One Nation, One Election criteria, and you can
One book, 25 parts, 448 articles and 12 schedules. Sounds familiar, right? With this, Namaste, honorable judges, dignitaries and all my friends present over here. Myself, N. Janvi Dora from Balangir district, standing before you to say something on the topic 75 years of Indian Constitution, a journey of rights, duties and progress. 75 years ago, on 26 November 1949, India finalized a monumental document, the Constitution, for world's largest democracy. As a student and a citizen, I have always wondered what makes our constitution so special. According to a report of Professor Tom Ginsburg in Chicago University, the average life of a constitution is 17 years. But ours stood strongly for 75 years and still continuing, leading us towards justice, equality and progress. From landmark cases like S.R. Bommai